Today we're gonna go over tight hips. I know this is something that I get a lot, and you guys have told me that you get a lot as well, so I wanna hit on some things that we can work on to help ourselves. We can do these two things before workout, after workout, or even as active recovery. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start supine face up, all right? I'm gonna start with my pelvis tucked under, and I'm gonna bring my right leg up to a neutral position. I'm then going to grab my leg on the knee and on the ankle part, and we're gonna flip our hip into external rotation. In this position, I'm going to take my knee and I'm gonna press up towards my hand, and my hand is going to resist my knee. So I'm pushing up with my knee, down with my hand. Then I'm gonna relax, put that in further external rotation, and then I'm going back to neutral. So I'm gonna show you again. I'm going external rotation of my right hip, pushing up with my knee, down with my hand on top here. I'm gonna relax and then put my hip into further external rotation, back to neutral. I'm just going to do that nice and slow and controlled with both of my hips. And this is just going to help that hip range of motion and help get things flowing real good with the external rotation of the hip. Now, next thing, this is number 2. I know it can be kind of difficult for people, but what I'm gonna do is I'll show you a modified version to help assist yourself with this. We're gonna sit in a staggered stance. I'm gonna have one hip in external rotation, which is the front. The back hip's going to be into internal rotation. This is called a shin box, where I'm just going to rotate over on my shins, and I'm gonna flip the hip. So now I'm in internal rotation, front leg's in external rotation, and I'm switching around. Now, if you cannot do this, if this is kind of difficult, what you're gonna do is you're going to lean back, you're gonna support yourself, and then we're going to work our way over, flipping the hips to internal and external rotation. What I like to do then is when I'm in this staggered stance here, I'll take my back hip, I'll push it lightly forward, I'll get a deeper stretch into that front hip, then I'll switch sides, take my back hand, push my hip forward, get a deeper stretch in that front hip, relax, and flip again. So those are 2 drills that I enjoy doing to help my hips and keep that range of motion going in and out like that. So if you have tight hips, check this out. If you'd like to see more videos like this, head over to my YouTube, Dr. Lindsay Schmidt, and we're pumping out more videos to help you guys.